How to add photos to Facebook album without posting them. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner and here select on your profile. Now simply scroll down and here you can see the option of photos, so simply tap on photos. You can see your albums over here, so you can just drag it and tap on albums. Now you cannot add pictures or to the profile picture without posting them. So let's tap on another album. So here you get to see the option of add photos or videos. So let's tap on it and then select a random picture and then tap on next. As you do that, what you can see is you'll be able to post a picture. We'll have to, or rather the picture will get published or uploaded or posted on your Facebook profile even if you do not want it to be posted. So you can see the privacy cannot be expressed over here, it cannot be changed. So this means that even when you add photos to your Facebook album, it will be posted on your profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.